Birth of 3D printing. The story of three-dimensional printing, also known as additive manufacturing, begins back in the early 1980s. The first patent related to this technology was filed by a man named Hideo Kodama in 1980, but it wasn't until a few years later that the first functional 3D printer was created by Charles Hall. Hall's invention, known as stereolithography, was a game-changer, turning digital data into tangible, three-dimensional objects. Advancement of 3D printing. As the years rolled on, the technology significantly advanced. In the 90s, selective laser sintering and fused deposition modeling were introduced, broadening the scope and capabilities of 3D printing. These techniques allowed for the use of different materials, including metals, glass, and even ceramics. Rise of compact 3D printing. Fast forward to the 21st century, 3D printing has become more accessible and user-friendly, with the introduction of compact, desktop 3D printers. Around the same time, a new innovation was born, the 3D pen, a device that allows you to draw in the air, creating intricate designs and structures, all in 3 dimensions. Practical application of 3D pen. This is not just a novelty, though. The 3D pen has many practical applications. For instance, it can be used in education to help students better visualize and understand complex concepts. It's also used in prototyping to quickly and inexpensively create functional models. Application of 3D printing. But the applications of 3D printing technology don't stop there. Today, it's being used in a myriad of industries, from healthcare, where it's used to create prosthetics and organ models, to aerospace, where it's used to manufacture lightweight, yet strong components. And let's not forget about the creative sector, where artists and designers are using 3D printing to push the boundaries of what's possible. The expansive world of 3D printing. In conclusion, the world of 3D printing is expansive and ever-growing. From its humble beginnings in the early 80s to its widespread use today, it has truly revolutionized the way we create and innovate. The advent of the 3D pen has further broadened the possibilities, making 3D creation accessible to anyone with a bit of imagination. And with its wide-ranging applications, from education to healthcare, aerospace to art, 3D printing is not just a technological marvel, it's a tool that's shaping our future. Significance of 3D printing. So, next time you see a 3D printer or a 3D pen, remember, you're not just looking at a piece of technology. You're looking at a piece of history, a testament to human innovation, and a glimpse into a future where anything you can imagine can be brought to life. The objective is 1. Expose basic skills and knowledge about 3D printing and additional manufacture. 2. Recognize the advantages of 3D printing. 3. Developing the creativity of students, beginning with complete introduction on additive manufacturing and 3D pen. Moving on to the practical lesson, they are guided by the expert in 3D pen. With that, they are able hands-on experience with full session of guidance. They are able to gain knowledge on the implication and the advantages in the real world. To express our gratitude, an appreciation session are followed for our collaborator Wisma Nur Kasih Orphanage to allow us to conduct the program of Into the 3DVerse, a journey into 3D printing.